When it comes to computer programming, your first instinct might be to go onto YouTube, search up on the search bar some random coding language, and then just start learning from there. And while this might work somewhat because you're learning some computer science fundamentals, it's not really the most efficient way of actually learning how to program. And one thing I'd highly recommend you learn when starting out programming is learn how to problem solve. Coding languages are merely a way of projecting code onto a screen so that the computer knows what to do. You can know all the programming languages in the world, but if you don't know how to actually turn these problems into actual solutions to code down using like computer science fundamentals like data structures or algorithms, you will have no idea how to actually code. So I'll kind of give you a little anecdote as to how I've actually started programming from high school. So in high school, I took my first computer science class, and in the beginning, we weren't even taught how to code. We weren't even using code. We were just solving problems. We would use like the drag and drop code, right? But we weren't actually typing out code. And then the problems would get increasingly hard, and then we would actually learn how to break the problems down into little parts and then solve the problems like that. And then eventually we were taught how to actually optimize our problems and have better and faster solutions with less blocks of code. And that's when I realized that computer science is merely problem solving in mathematics. And learning how to code is just a small subset of how to actually start learning how to do computer science. So then when you eventually learn a coding language after learning how to problem solve, all you have to do is learn the language syntax. After that, you'll already know how to solve the problems, so all you have to do is just code them up, and then all you have to do is just solve the problem and then just code it up. And doing that just gets rid of so much stress or so much friction just learning how to problem solve, because you don't have to go through a tutorial on YouTube, just scrolling past all these tutorials, and you won't have to be looking up solutions to code on Stack Overflow and just like looking back and forth and then checking to see if your code is right. All you'll need to know is how to problem solve, learning syntax, and then a little bit of assistance from other people, and then after that, that's pretty much the basics of computer science, and then that's how you build yourself up. And I know it's easier said than done. This will take time and consistent practice to get used to, but if you can do this, then you're setting yourself up really well in the future. So if there was some sort of diagnostic for computer scientists, I would say that 80% of computer science is problem solving, and like 20% is learning a coding language syntax and learning how to type. Other than that, that's pretty much the two basic things you need to know how to do. Well, I hope this video was able to offer you some kind of value, and if you like this, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.